Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So as you can see, sitting on my bedroom floor with a basket of laundry. Sorry, I was testing the angle of the camera. But yeah, I have a basket of clothes here that I'm going to fold for you while we have a little chat. You know, I have no idea what we're going to chat about. I had a video planned to film today and realized I didn't have any of the supplies I needed to film that video. And so I had to change my plans last minute, and so we're going to do a laundry chat. And we're going to chat about who knows what, because I have no idea what to talk about. Unfortunately, I don't have enough followers for a Q&A, so we can't do that either. But yeah, before we do get into the video, I just want to take a moment to introduce myself. If you are new here, my name is Heather. I'm a stay-at-home mom and a housewife, homemaker, whatever you want to call me. My channel is mostly cleaning and laundry, and every once in a while I'll do like lifestyle type videos. I have a few like hair tool reviews, you know, like I have a nighttime routine, just, you know, random things that I do on here, but most of it is cleaning and laundry. Laundry is pretty frequent on my channel. I do some grocery hauls, things like that. So yeah, if any of that interests you and you are new here or have not subscribed yet, definitely go down and subscribe to this channel. And if you enjoyed this video or any of my other videos, definitely go and give them a big thumbs up. And also go over and follow me on Instagram. That's the place where you're gonna see more of my behind the scenes, you know, of my daily life. You'll get updates on videos, things like that. Yeah, so definitely go over and follow me there. But yeah, let's just get on into this basket of laundry. I guess I could have been folding these clothes while I introduced myself. I mean, probably would have been the wisest idea. You know. Should have been multitasking. Yeah, like I said, guys, I'm really sorry that I don't have a normal video for you guys today. Everything just got all kinds of screwed up. So, I mean, I could have filmed a cleaning video, but to be perfectly honest, I just didn't feel like doing that. I know that's no excuse, but I'm here, I'm doing something, I guess. That'll help. But at least while I'm folding laundry, I'm keeping my hands busy, because I've noticed in a lot of my videos, like my intros and stuff, I tend to fiddle with my hair. I tend to talk with my hands. So, probably not a good idea to do those things while chatting with you guys. I'm just trying to think of something I can update you guys on. If you don't follow me on Instagram, because over there I posted that. I posted what I'm about to tell you. So this last weekend, we went to Yellowstone, to Bear World, and it was so much fun. we got to see, they have like bears, and they have big elk, they have deer, we saw some ducks. I mean, those can really just be anything. What else? They have like little butterfly thing where you can go in and feed them nectar. It's actually kind of cool. Let's see, what else do they have? Oh, they have some buffaloes, and I can't think of anything else they have. But then they have like a petting zoo, and in the petting zoo they had some deer and some peacocks, and like a potbelly pig. And then they have a really awesome souvenir like gift shop. It's actually really nice and had lots of selections of different things you could buy, and for not really that expensive either. I think I got a really nice like ceramic mug. I think it was like 10 bucks. I mean, that's pretty expensive for a souvenir, but I feel like I spent about that much on a mug at Walmart, so I didn't feel like it was too much, if that makes sense. And then they do have a few little like amusement park rides, like more like fair rides, for like little kids. I mean, adults can ride them, but it's more or less for the children. And then and as far as I understand, Bear World it's like a rescue place. So they're for like rescue animals, and or you know, animals that couldn't quite survive in the wild, things like that. I mean, I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's what I read on their website. If you're interested, I definitely go and check out their website, because like I said, I'm not 100% sure, so I could be wrong. And then let's see what else. And it's I forgot to tell you, but it's like a drive-through wildlife place. So what you do is you like drive up to the gate, then you like pay to get in, and then you drive your car through they have like a paved path that you drive your car down. You can't have your windows down, you can take pictures and stuff, but like these animals are roaming free. They do keep the bears separated from the deer. They have like a big gate that they separate them. But yeah, you just drive through, and these animals are free and roaming in this very large habitat, and you get to drive through, and they're literally walking across the street, walking like across the little path, little road. They're walking down past your car. They could easily like jump up on your car if they really want to. I don't think they do. I think honestly most of them have been there long enough that it doesn't even faze them that there's humans and cars driving through their home. I think they enjoy it. I also think that they put on a show for sure. A lot of them were sleeping. A lot of them were, you know, hanging out in the shade, out of the sun, stuff like that. And then there is a like an attraction you can like pay extra for, which we didn't do. You can pay money to bottle feed a like orphaned bear cub. They are so cute. But unfortunately we did not do that this time around. But maybe next time we'll do that, because you have to have like reservations, and this was kind of a last minute trip thing there, and also I didn't know that they did that. And it's also a little bit pricey. Yeah, it's like $55 to feed a bear. I don't even know how long you get to feed the bear for. So I don't know if it's really worth the $55. So, but at the end of the day, it was fun. It's definitely one of those things that, you know, it would be nice to go back again. But not like a every year type of a thing. We might go back again in a few years. So, but yeah, that was our fun adventure over the weekend. Did you guys do anything fun over the weekend? If you did, definitely let me know down in the comments. Would love to know what you guys got up to. And then, let's see. I do hope that you guys are enjoying my videos. I've been really good lately at uploading at a certain day and a certain time. And so, I mean, it's been a little hard. I'm getting a little burned out from it. I'm running out of ideas. Sometimes when you make YouTube videos, you feel like, oh, I did that already. Especially cleaning videos, you're like, how many times can I clean my bathroom or make my bed? Or for me, it's clean the kitchen. I don't know how many videos I have of myself cleaning the kitchen. How many times can I do that before people are like, okay, can you like do something else because we're tired of watching you clean the same thing over and over again. But unfortunately, I only have so many things in my house to clean. And I do try to, you know, change it up a lot and make sure that it's not the same thing over and over again. But for me, I love filming laundry videos. But I'm not 100% sure how my audience feels about filming laundry videos. You know, we all know how laundry is washed, dried, and folded. It's, you know, it's not the it's never going to change. So again, if you guys have any suggestions for me on, you know, what I could do to help improve my video filming, that would be great. I will take everything into consideration. I may not get to everything that everyone suggests, but I will try to do something different. And if you do like the laundry videos or me cleaning my kitchen every week, let me know, because, you know, as a consumer of YouTube, I've realized that just because someone else doesn't like something doesn't mean that I don't like it or someone else doesn't like it. We all like different things, and I know I shouldn't please everyone. I should just do what I like to do. And if if they watch my videos, they watch my videos. It is what it is. So, you know, but I also know that as a consumer, sometimes we want to see other things. I don't know. YouTube is a weird, odd, confusing place. And that's why I'm coming to you and asking you what your thoughts are on everything. I mean, like I said, most of my channel is cleaning, and that's what I prefer to keep it as. So I don't want to really steer away from that. But I'm up to any ideas if I feel like I can achieve that video, or whatever, I may look into it. But for the most part, I really want to keep with the cleaning. And I definitely, like I said, I love laundry videos, as you can see. I would love one day to sit and fold laundry with you guys as I answer, like do a Q&A. So another thing, definitely go down and leave any questions you have for me, because I would love to do a Q&A. Even if you aren't subscribed, even if you don't watch the rest of this video, go down and leave me a question, and I will definitely come back at a later time and do a Q&A, because I would really love to do that. If anything out of this video I challenge you to do is leave me a question below. And please make it appropriate, because I will not be answering any inappropriate questions on my channel. So please make it nice, family friendly, and appropriate. Thank you. Where did I put my other sock? I guess I have one lonely sock. Sad. I know it's matches around here somewhere. It probably just got left in the bottom of the basket or whatever. So that's alright. We'll put her away with the rest of her friends where she belongs. So, alright guys, well, my basket's empty. Which means I now need to put all these clothes away. Which means I think I'm going to end this video. I really hope I didn't bore you. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Like, I've already been filming for 17 minutes. So yeah, I really hope I didn't bore you. I am very excited to read all of your comments, all of your suggestions, all of your questions, anything that you would love to leave for me to read. I would really enjoy it. Again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you are not completely bored, and I really hope that you're still here with me. And I don't know what else to say. I've said all I know to say. But yeah, again, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for being here and subscribing and being a part of my YouTube family. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!